Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a dark mode on your TikTok app. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok first. Then I want you to hit the lower right corner, click on your profile. When you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and tap the three straight lines on the upper right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now guys, I want you to pay very close attention. This is where the magic happens, okay? I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on the section that is called display. Now this is where you can actually shift between light theme, dark theme, and the most important in my opinion is having this option underneath, which is use device settings. When I click on this, I will get automatic match as my default settings on my phone. So currently I have a dark theme on my device on my iPhone, so TikTok is matching my theme on my device. All the other apps can do the exact same thing, and this is very good for your eyes, simply because the eyes will not be irritated by the change of light and dark colors while switching through the apps. Don't get it as an advice, I'm not a doctor, right? But this is what I have experienced, and I've seen that it's much easier for the eyes to adapt from dark theme from one app to another dark theme in another app, and then going back to your default settings on your device. But this is how you can get a dark mode on TikTok app. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.